Aaron Pender from the Human Rights Law Centre.
This shows why organisations of all shapes and sizes need to take whistleblowing and whistleblower protection seriously. Whistleblowers play a really important democratic role and it's
indicator would be nice, right? Sheer ram. Oh, really, man? That's not loud. Didn't even indicate for that either.
Not taken lightly, and we know it will be disappointing for fans. But in order to set the show up for future series, it was decided that rather than bridge the gap with a one-off special, we are choosing to push forward,
fucking turned right.
invest in the long-term future of the show, which ensures that when the TARDIS lands once more, it does so in all its glory.
Jesus
the previously announced new Doctor Who animation series for CBeebies.
What just happened in the okay? Could have indicated. Fluffy.
He didn't use his turn signal! Me.
Run! Run, brother, run!
You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be freaking kidding me. Oh, Godfather. That's a classic.
Oh, Heller. Yeah, hello? Hello? Come on. Yeah, cool.
Tsunami warning centre says waves up to 3 metres could hit the Philippines coast. The 1 metre waves expected to hit Indonesia and Malaysia. And Pauline Hanson is told Jacinda Allen to suck it up following a targeted campaign against her. Recent ads have been spotted calling the Premier a witch. One Nation leader says...
She's like your finger rabbit off. No, she's like, 1 second. Oh, thank you.
Located in Kangan Drive Barracks, just a minute off the Monash.
And you're not going to let them...
The original,
Stupid.
the trusted. License 8760.
Wow. Thanks for a Reddit. And they just ran another red.
Yep, he's got someone. Yeah.
Straight through the fucking red light too, Jesus Christ.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
It's deep.
Video protected.
Women, and the sport they show is women's sport. Everyone is welcome, but the vibe is totally different.
Yeah, stupid
so
idiots.
As women's sports bars gain momentum in the United States.
Sand people, or worse.
Excuse me, madam. Fuck me. How about fuck you?
Look after themselves. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right, pal. You'll be on YouTube.
That's right. Now, say my name.
I'll put you on, Scotty.
People in 1967 that he was going to make photographs to do fundraising postcards.
Fundraising.
Where are those fundraising postcards? Like, I mean, did they come into existence? I don't know.
Right, yeah, nothing more came of that. But yeah, that is...
Again, if you're going to make postcards, the one with the ghost is probably going to be the bestseller, right? You know, I don't know. So, anyway, it's an interesting article. It's certainly an interesting photograph, but the biggest shock for me looking into this was...
And it's goddamn Cheeks later. She's like, don't worry, she's so quiet. Well, it'll be fine. And then the baby is crying for the entire next, like, 3 scenes.
And everyone's pretty bummed about it, but they just have to, like, power through. They're, like, yelling their lines over the baby.
He's a kid, so can you tell me a little bit about that? I'm his mum.
Again, for the first time, I hear kid's voice.
You met him, you know he's a good person.
We liked him,
yeah, that's right.
Yep, so I put...
Hey, guess what, you dumb bastards? It's still red. Thicker than 3 short planks. Oh, for fuck's sake. Move the fucking car!
Race if it rained, and lots of opportunities in those conditions. We were also on Michelin.
What the fucking hell are you doing?
And the Ferraris were on stones, which definitely helped us in those weapons.
ourselves and our souls is the distance between heaven and earth. There is a screen placed between us and God, Faye says. God gives something of himself up to create room for us. He was certainly provocative, sometimes poetic, but often flippant, ill-thought, impulsive, maddening, contradictory. She's not especially original. Much of her thought she owes to ancient Greece, especially Plato. But it is God that sets her apart. She goes where Plato cannot. There are moments when Christ speaks through her.
Shit.
She is the voice of heaven. They came to Christ through her pain. Throughout her life, she was plagued by blinding headaches. Although agnostic, she retreated to the Benedictine monastery of Salem, where she sat through services for 8 hours a day. Each word she said struck her like a blow on a raw nerve. She wrote that she came to understand the possibility of love in spite of pain and suffering. But it wasn't until later that she felt the physical presence of Christ. He merged with her spirit when she was in a poem, George Herbert's Love. Love took my hand, and smiling did reply, who made the eyes but I? Love is the order of the world, not the love of our desire, our ego, our personality. Simone Weil says, we must love necessity. That means everything we love will die, will rot. Necessity, she writes, makes all our love objectless.
God almighty.
Necessity is our one and only enemy.
What is it?
That principle, we must love it. Without that, there is no love. And we must love that which exists beyond what we could even imagine existence is, she said.
Thought about it and have transitioned in their thinking about the
you are at elevated risk, even if the rest of your life you are in a burqa. And that is because these so-called epithelial cancers, these cancers that like linings of organs, whether it's breast glands or colon or prostate or skin, cancer you get at age 50 could have been
out,
from around the world.
and it's moving.
Before we have to give them back. Available after 10:30 Caring for Geelong since 1934. Compare your health insurance today at GLHBA.com.
It's got a wagging tail, yeah. Yeah.
Rock
What
footy
the
all
fuck
weekend.
is this? It's called. There are episodes? Oh wow. That's actually really cool. It's a Willis team.